How to sign up for Trust Wallet. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily sign up for a new account on Trust Wallet. But first you will need the application. For that, open up your Play Store and search for Trust Wallet. And once you do that, just install this application on your phone. It's available on both iOS and Android. Then open up the app. Now, once you get to the home page, you'll have two options. If you already have an wallet, you can import your existing wallet from here. You can enter your secret phrase to import, or you can just observe and track your assets of other wallets. Now, if you want to create a completely new wallet, tap on Create New Wallet, and here you have an option to choose from secret phrase or Swift. I suggest you choose the secret phrase because the Swift is on beta right now, so it's testing. So go ahead and tap on secret phrase. Now you'll have to manually write down the secret phrases, or you can back it up on your Google Drive. I'm just gonna back up manually. Then you can just check mark all of these three options and tap on continue. Now here you will be shown 12 secret phrases like random words. I'm just going to copy this to clipboard and paste it on the Notes app. So here I have pasted my secret phrases. Make sure that you don't show this to anyone. I'm just showing it for you guys. And what you're gonna do is go ahead and tap on continue. Now you'll just have to select the prompts that it's right here. So select the first word, that is this one. Select the fourth word, that is this one. And then select the seventh word, that is this one right here, and then select the last word, that is this right here. Then tap on confirm. And if all of the phrases match, then you should be able to create a new account. That's pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.